you don't mind I film this. So, got the candle burning, the incense is burning, and there you are. So, can you do that again? Can you light the ball again? It was on the table. Can you show me that you're still here in the room with me? By touching the ball. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. It's nice to know that you're here. And you're not a bad spirit, because if you were, you wouldn't be so much next to the crucifix, now would you? Exactly. I take it that you are... That's it. Can you take your hand off, please? Just want to ask something else. Are you a lady? Are you a man? Thank you. Right, sir? Okay, thank you, sir. Can you take your hand off again, please? Sir? Thank you. Are you looking for help? Are you just passing through? Passing through. They always say that there are spirits who pass through our lives. Just for a moment. Just let them go. So, are there other spirits in the room with you? Okay. Turn the ball off, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You can stop lighting the ball up, please. Stand away from the ball. Please stand away from the ball, please. Stop touching it. Thank you. Only use that to confirm yes. Are there other spirits in this room with me? Are you the only spirit here? Are you the only spirit in the room with me? You are. Okay. Okay, thank you. Let the ball stop lighting up. Thank you. Is there anything you want me to do for you? Are you just visiting? Do I know you? Did you find me on the street? Did you come in with my energy to follow me home? Thank you. Okay. I'm just going to put this one on. Sorry, didn't want to scare you there. There's another one right beside you. If that helps you, you have two. That's good. Can you give me more lights on the other device? Oh, look, you got both going now. That's fantastic. Wow! I love it when you guys do that. I wish you could get a red light on the other one. Oh, that's a strong one. Like it. So, you don't want my help. Thank you. You don't want my help, and you're a gentleman, and you're just passing through. You came on a piggyback ride with me. Are you going to be leaving today? No, thank you. That's good. Thank you. Are you buried in London? You do know you're dead, don't you? You do. Hey. And you are buried in London, near here? Yeah. Is it the Old Brompton Cemetery or somewhere, or? And okay. All right. And do you see many others? Thank you. Do you see many others? Oh, hello. You're really going at it now. Loving this. There you go, everyone. You see, look how far I'm back. I'm not touching the ball. I'll even let you see how far I'm back from the ball. So I'm not shaking it, touching it, there's nothing manipulating it. It's not even my phone, it's nothing. So, thank you, Spirit. Thank you. Can you use the other device for a couple more lights, please? Thank you. Oh, wow, that was right on command. That was beautiful. Can you do it one more time, please? A couple more lights? Wow. You do talk, and I like that. So, would it be all right? Thank you. You'll be all right here, won't you? Hanging out for a while? Go when you want to go? There you go, that's nice. That's lovely. Can you just stop the ball again, please? One more thing I just want to add. Just one more thing. Just stop the ball, please. Thank you. I want to confirm you are a positive spirit. You're a good gentleman. Thank you. Do you know what? Hang out, watch TV, have some popcorn. I don't care. I don't mind you here. As long as you're not negative, I'm very happy. Loving it all. Okay. Well, that's fantastic. Well, I just got to go and get ready now. I'm going out, but enjoy the rest of the evening here, and drop by, say hi anytime. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. You can stop the ball now. You can stop the ball now. Now that is great communication. Just using a good old K2 meter and a ball. And he just loves the talk whoever this gentleman is. So it's quite awesome. Let's see if he can say goodbye to us. Just using the meter and the ball. Can you just say goodbye to us using the K2 meter with the lights and the ball? Just a big flick of lights. Goodbye. Speak to you soon. Thank you. There you are. This is awesome. God bless you. Lovely.